Okay guys, so today you're gonna get to see me make part of the coloring book, and I'm actually just binding the cover pages at the moment, and then you're gonna get to see me bind the whole thing together. And the reason I'm using this one, even though I wouldn't want to use a yellowed one, I have it and I want to finish it before I buy a new one. So or I use my new one because I do have a new one. I tested it out a little while ago. It smells better than this one, but more toxic, if that makes any sense. The other one I have is like extra strength, and it will straight up make you feel like you're going to die. I used it and I had to sit down for like a good 20 minutes before I could come back to doing anything. It was horrible. Clip it. Now I'm using a high temp glue gun. I wouldn't suggest using a low temperature one, simply because hot glue dries so quickly. The binding! Yeah, so if you get one of these bindy thingies and they happen to have color, as long as you use it in such a way, it shouldn't affect what you're working on. Because if you use it correctly, in theory, should not end up coming out of the area you've placed it.
If you're interested in a coloring book, they will be up on my shop, which is in the description below. If coloring's not really your thing, then I also have some postcards which are up on my shop. I also have a sticker set called the Mildly Disappointing Sticker Set. If you want to get your hands on those, check out my Instagram stories. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.